In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve account creation issues with Yahoo. Yahoo's security measures can sometimes block account creation, often due to security concerns. But don't worry, there's a systematic way to deal with this, and I'll walk you through each step. First and foremost, it's important to wait 24 hours. This might seem like a long time, but it's crucial. Yahoo's security protocols are designed to reset any blocks after a full day. If you try to create an account during this waiting period, it will only restart the timer, and you'll end up waiting even longer. Patience here is key. Once the 24-hour wait is over, you'll want to clear your browser's cache and cookies. This step helps remove any potentially corrupted session data that might be hindering your account creation. To do this, go into your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and follow the prompts to clear your cache and cookies. This can remove stored website data that might be causing issues without you even knowing it. If you've cleared the cache and cookies and are still encountering issues, trying a different web browser might be your next best move. Sometimes the issue is browser specific. For example, if you're using Chrome, you might switch to Firefox, Safari, or another browser of your choice. This simple change can often make a big difference. Now, if changing the browser doesn't solve the problem, it's time to use a different device. You could switch from your laptop to a tablet or use another computer. Occasionally, device-specific data could be the culprit, and using another device can be a surprisingly effective workaround. Another tip is to restart your internet router. This action can change your IP address, which is sometimes linked to the problem. By restarting your router, you might bypass any IP-related issues that Yahoo's security systems have flagged. It's a straightforward step, but often overlooked. Also, consider checking any VPN or proxy service you might be using. VPNs and proxies are fantastic for privacy, but can sometimes trigger security flags on sites like Yahoo, ultimately leading to account blocks. By temporarily disabling these services, you can test if they are part of the problem. If you've patiently followed all these steps and yet the problem persists, your last resort is to contact Yahoo support directly. They have the tools and resources to help unlock the account creation process and can provide guidance tailored to your situation. Each of these steps is designed to tackle common issues related to security blocks during account creation. By following them in order, you're maximizing your chances of resolving the problem efficiently. Good luck, and I hope you're able to set up your Yahoo account without a hitch.